Okay, now we're headed to the monorail. I've not ever been on the monorail, so I'm super excited about this. One is down for refurbishment or something. But yeah, this looks terrifying to me. Let me know in the comments if you would go on this or how you feel about this submarine ride. And I do know, like Tanya said, she's been on the submarine ride. And what did you say?
I said it was different.
Yeah.
It was different. Like,
Different.
I've
Good.
never been on anything like that before.
Was it very tight?
Well, some people call it a fart trap.
Oh, okay. This is the monorail. Listen, we're about to go right there. Right there. Tanya, are you excited?
We get to go in the front. I've never done that before.
Yeah.
I promise you, watch here to watch your step. Let's take any seat on the bench and the bench only.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Hello everyone. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Be sure to watch your children and no smoking.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
We're now passing Grizzly Peak, land of scenic wonders, where you can experience the beauty and exhilaration of free flight in Soarin'. Coming into view is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. This imaginary masterpiece was inspired by the state's natural wonders and features the arts and crafts style of the 19th century. Please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort.